Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made. Today quickly I want to share with you how to make this extremely delicious hot dog roast, and you love the recipe, so stay tuned till the end and be inspired. Without further ado, let's begin. In a bowl I'm adding my all-purpose flour or plain flour. Next I'm adding my sugar. Next I'm adding my salt. Next, my nutmeg powder, and next, baking powder. I'm going ahead to stir everything together until well combined. Next, lovelies, I'm adding my butter. Here we go, beautiful. I will proceed to mix everything together until well combined, okay? And then I'll create a well in the middle, just like this. And then I'll add my milk and egg, okay? Beautiful. Next, I'll go ahead and add my vanilla extract, just like so, and then my yeast, okay? And lastly, milk powder. Lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box, so don't forget to check it up, okay? Now I'll proceed to mix everything together until a dough is formed, yeah? After that, on a clean surface, I'll add some of the flour, and then I'll add the dough, and I'll go ahead and knead it until gluten is activated, yeah? Or until the dough becomes elastic, okay? Lovely, to support the girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Also, kindly remember to recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. So lovelies, we are all done, and look how beautiful and smooth this dough is. So once you press it down and the dough resists you or the dough just bounces back, it means the gluten is activated, and we have just achieved that. So next, in a bowl which has oil, I'm adding the dough. I'll then go ahead and cover the bowl up with my cling film, and I'll leave it in a warm area for about an hour to rise, okay? Beautiful. So now let's go ahead and fry our hot dog. You can as well use sausage and any kind of sausage of your choice, okay? So here we go. I'll just go ahead and fry until golden brown, all right? Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video to support your girl, and I'll forever be grateful, all right? So we are all done so soon. I love the color. So I'm bringing them out of the frying pan, and lovelies, we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. Beautiful. So now we are back and our dough has really doubled up. I'll then knead it again and I'll cut it into two, and into each half I'll cut it into five. Yeah, just like this. So I'll just mold it into a round shape like this. I'll pinch all the sides together and I'll roll it on the work surface until it's smooth. So we are all done. Next, on each of the ball, I'll just roll my pin on it. Once it's all smoothing out, I'll bring both the long opposite sides together, just like so. And once they meet, I'll just pinch the edges to be sealed properly, okay? And I hope you get it. After sealing, I'll then go ahead and roll it on the work surface for it to smoothen out, yeah? The first one is done, so I'll repeat myself until all the dough is completely done. Now this is how we're doing it. You pick one hot dog, and then you pick one of the dough, and then you cover the hot dog with the dough just like so. Again, you repeat yourself until all the dough and hot dogs are completely done, yeah? Lovelies, if it's your first time stumbling on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. And I'm so sure you love it here. Please don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Check them out. They look beautiful. So now I'll proceed to cover them up with my napkin for about 15 minutes for them to rise again, okay? And we are back after 15 minutes. I'm going ahead to brush them with my egg, okay? And you can as well add milk to the egg. Okay, it's all by choice and preference. But today I'm going for just the egg and it's all fine. Lovelies, once I'm all done, I'll then put them in the oven for them to be baked. We are back after a few minutes and check them out. I love this amazing color. And lovelies, I hope you've been inspired. This is so simple and an amazing recipe that the kids will love. I'm brushing them with butter and this will help soften the hot dog rolls more and to add some glossy fat. Okay, and it's totally optional. Lovelies, check them out. We are all done. And I hope you give this a try. For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah. Kiss, toodles, peace out.